Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best speaker stands is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial pieces of equipment for any audio setup, whether you're a DJ, a live musician, or just hosting a backyard party, because getting your sound at the right height can dramatically improve clarity, projection, and overall listening experience, transforming a good event into a truly unforgettable one with perfectly distributed audio. Number 5. Pyle Speaker Stand Pair for Play 1 and 3. These adjustable stands are designed to perfectly complement your Play 1 speakers, matching their aesthetics and finish. They are also versatile, working seamlessly with both Play 1 and Play 3 speakers in any orientation. Enjoy customizable audio with its telescoping center column, easily adjustable from 26 to 52 inches. A sturdy pin secures your desired height, ensuring rugged and durable metal construction provides excellent stability. Your speakers rest securely on a 9-inch square platform, featuring 2 mm thick non-slip pads. Each stand can support up to 90 pounds, making them perfect for any home theater or studio setup. The 18-inch triangle base plate offers exceptional stability and safety for your valuable speakers. It also includes floor spikes, ensuring equal weight distribution and maximum balance on any surface. All necessary hardware is included for a hassle-free setup. The clear assembly manual makes it quick and simple to get your adjustable speaker stands ready for use. What we like. This stand is custom designed for specific home audio speakers, offering a sleek look and perfect fit. Its unique square platform and stable triangle base ensure your speakers are securely displayed. If you own Play 1 or Play 3 speakers and want a dedicated, stylish, and secure mounting solution, this is your ideal choice. What people say. Number 4. Pyle Dual PA DJ Speaker Stand Kit PSTK 107. Its unique tripod leg design, connected by a center brace, ensures superior stability for your speakers. This robust construction allows it to firmly hold up to 132 pounds, delivering better sound without wobbling. Adjusting its height is effortless thanks to the telescoping center column. You can set it anywhere from 40 to 71 inches and secure it with reliable pin and screw locks. Equipped with non-slip rubber feet, it provides exceptional stability on any surface. This ensures equal weight distribution, making it safe for stages, practice spaces, or bars. This stand is designed to work with all speakers featuring a 35 mm compatible insert. It's an ideal heavy-duty solution for PA speakers, studio monitors, and loud music setups. Despite its heavy-duty build, it's lightweight and collapses easily. It even comes with a storage bag, making transportation and setup incredibly convenient for any event. Constructed from heavy-duty, durable steel, this stand is built to last. Its rugged metal tubing provides long-term reliability and peace of mind for your audio equipment. What we like. This kit offers robust support for heavier speakers, making it perfect for dynamic live setups. Its quick height adjustment and collapsible tripod legs ensure easy transport and setup. If you are a mobile DJ or need versatile stands for various PA events, this kit provides the flexibility and strength you require. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source content. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted for the tripod speaker stand. Number 3. Pyle PPH-P849KT Dual 8-inch PA System. Experience robust audio with this active and passive PA system. It delivers an impressive 700 watts of max power output, perfect for any event. Equipped with dual 8-inch high-powered speakers, it ensures your sound is always clear and impactful. Plus, its rugged design guarantees durability and reliability. Enjoy the convenience of Bluetooth wireless streaming. Easily connect your devices and play your favorite music without the hassle of cables. This system offers multiple playback options including MP3, USB, SD, and AUX readers. You have plenty of ways to get your music playing. It features high-frequency 1-inch tweeters and a compression driver with a titanium diaphragm. These components work together to deliver crisp, detailed sound. Coming complete with a microphone and speaker stands, it's ready for immediate use. Set it up quickly and start your performance or event. What we like. This product is an all-in-one sound solution, providing powerful speakers and stands together. It integrates Bluetooth for wireless audio and includes a microphone for immediate use. If you're looking for a complete, ready-to-go PA system for parties or small events, this package offers unparalleled convenience and functionality. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted as per the instructions. Number 2. Rockville RVS1 Tripod DJ PA Speaker Stands. These stands feature an all-steel build, ensuring maximum durability. Each one can support up to 100 pounds, making them perfect for your speakers or lights in any professional setup. Customize your setup effortlessly with their adjustable height. They can extend up to 71 inches, allowing for optimal sound or lighting coverage exactly where you need it. Their expandable tripod legs offer a base spread from 0 to 32 inches. This design ensures maximum stability, keeping your equipment secure on various surfaces. Transport and store them with incredible ease. A durable carry bag is included, making setup and pack down simple and convenient for any event. These stands offer universal compatibility for your gear. They work with virtually any speaker that features a standard 35mm mounting socket. What we like. Built with heavy-duty steel, these stands are designed for maximum durability and reliability in demanding environments. They come with a convenient carry bag, making transport to gigs effortless. If you prioritize robust construction and easy portability for frequent event setups, these stands are a solid, dependable option. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Unable to extract points as the source was empty. Number 1. Pyle Universal Speaker Stand Tripod. This stand features a telescoping center column, allowing you to easily adjust its height from 40 to 71 inches. It's secured with sturdy pin and screw locks, ensuring a safe and customized setup every time. Designed with a robust tripod leg base and a center brace, it provides exceptional stability for your speakers. This heavy-duty stand can firmly support up to 132 pounds, ensuring your audio equipment stays secure. It works seamlessly with all speakers featuring a 35mm compatible insert. This makes it an ideal audio stand for loud music, PA systems, studio monitors, and various other applications. Equipped with a knob-style tension locking mechanism, it securely holds your speaker at the desired height. This feature prevents any accidental collapsing, giving you peace of mind during use. Its tripod legs collapse easily, making transportation a breeze. Additionally, non-slip rubber feet ensure a stable and safe setup, perfect for both on-stage performances and studio environments. What we like. This stand features a superior tension locking mechanism, ensuring your speakers remain securely at their set height. Its high weight capacity and non-slip rubber feet provide exceptional stability for large speakers. If you require absolute security and stability for heavy professional audio equipment, this stand offers peace of mind. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.